Hi, I am Anna. I come from www.ntvforex.com. WTI rebounds to test $38 despite dour IEA oil demand outlook. http ntvforex.com News ID 7db0c11 minutes ago by Dwani Mehta. WTI bounces amid risk on mood, weaker US dollar. Bulls ignore the OPEC and IEA gloomy oil demand forecasts. NBSP US API crude inventories eyed ahead of Thursday AS OPEC meeting. Fresh bids emerged just above the 37 mark, allowing a bounce in WTI futures on NYMEX back above 37.50. At the press time, the US oil rises 1.66% to 37.89, having dived out of the consolidated range seen since the US last session. The commodity is on track to conquer the 38 barrier, helped by the upbeat market mood on fresh optimism over the Chinese economic recovery. Oil bulls, especially, cheer the improvement in Chinese industrial sector activity, as the Dragon Nation is the world's number 2 oil consumer. Further, the risk-on market profile weighs down on the safe haven US dollar, collaborating with the upside in the black gold. A weaker greenback makes the dollar-denominated oil cheaper for foreign buyers. The strength in the WTI barrel can be also attributed to the latest alert issued by the National Hurricane Center (NHC), citing that Hurricane Paulette has maintained its strength as it accelerates northeastward. Meanwhile, the bulls stand resilient to the latest downward revisions to the 2020 oil demand forecasts announced by the OPEC and the International Energy Agency (IEA) in their respective monthly reports. IEA cuts 2020 oil demand forecast, warning of a treacherous path ahead with rising coronavirus cases. The agency cut its outlook for worldwide oil demand growth to 91.7 million barrels per day (BPD). On Monday, the OPEC noted that the world oil demand in 2020 is expected to fall by 9.46 million BPD. The forecasts were lowered due to a NBSP higher non-OPEC supply view and lower global demand. Markets now look forward to the weekly crude supplies report due to be published by the American Petroleum Institute (API) later in the NA session. The key event risk for oil remains the critical OPEC and its allies OPEC meeting due on Thursday. WTI technical levels to watch. WTI overview today. Last price 37.94 today. Daily change 0.63 today. Daily change percent 1.68 today. Daily open 37.51. NBSP trends. Daily SMA 2041.13 daily SMA 5041.27 daily SMA 10037.37 daily SMA 20041.3 NBSP levels. Previous daily high 37.93 previous daily low 37.08 previous weekly high 39.78 previous weekly low 36.43 previous monthly high 43.86 previous monthly low 39.75 daily Fibonacci 38.2% 37.4 daily Fibonacci 61.8% 37.6 daily pivot point S1 37.08 daily pivot point S2 36.66 daily pivot point S3 36.24 daily pivot point R1 37.93 daily pivot point R2 38.35 daily pivot point R3 38.78 NBSP. Subscribe our channel to receive the news as soon as possible. Thank you for watching. If you want to read real-time news, text messages to MT5 Expert Advisors page at https://m.me/mt5.expert.advisors.